Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Magid Hijazi, Project Management Consultant. In this course, I'm going to discuss the international delay analysis approaches. I'll demonstrate many references, including RICS, ASCE, SCL protocol, and ACE recommended practices. Then I will explain in detail the technical procedures stated in the ACE recommended practices for prospective and retrospective delay analysis with examples and the practice on actual case studies. This will include numerous approaches such as time impact analysis, observational and modeled approaches. The advantages of the ACE recommended practices, which will be the main reference for our course, are that they are addressing validation and implementation protocols going to analysis evaluation of excusability and compensability. Furthermore, as we go, the classification of delay analysis will expand and reveal. After that, I will present the legal aspects from the Society of Construction Law Protocol with applications using additional delay analysis approaches and discussion about the SCL recommendations for contracts, showing what the standard forms of contracts are stating in this regard. In this section, I will highlight the concepts of mitigation, acceleration, prolongation cost, and special cases like the offsetting delay, for example. In one full lecture, I will clarify the challenges of defining and analyzing the concurrent delay. I will start from the definition of concurrency, going through the prevention principle and the analysis approaches, ending with technical checks and recommendations. Finally, after practicing many methods, I will illustrate how to develop a comprehensive extension of time claim, including contractual compliance and entitlement. I hope you find this course useful and meets your desires and expectations. Thank you for listening and see you in the course.